ago, the Indian embassy in Kabul was attacked. There was a huge explosion just outside the Indian embassy. As you are aware,
again?
Today, just now.
Today.
As you are aware, last time a brigadier, a fellow armed services officer, a brigadier of the Indian Army was killed. You have people in the Air Force in Kabul. Can you tell us, do you know anything about it, what the situation is, whether anyone from the armed forces who is in Kabul has been hurt or not?
No, I'm sorry. As you will appreciate, I was on parade. I haven't got to hear this news. As soon as we know something, we will share it with the press.
एक सवाल, आज एयरफोर्स डे के दिन कितने संतुष्ट हैं आप अपनी तैयारियों को लेकर, फोर्स के लेवल को लेकर, और खासकर हमारे जो पड़ोसी हैं, चीन है, पाकिस्तान है, उनकी तमाम तैयारियों को लेकर, और अपना हमारा जो फोर्स लेवल आज की डेट में वायुसेना की बात की जाए तो बहुत कम है, तमाम जहाज़ों की ज़रूरत है, आपको सारे सामान की ज़रूरत है, कितने संतुष्ट हैं?
एक चीज मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, अपना कोई छोटा मोटा एयरफोर्स नहीं है। फिलहाल भी जब हम लोग वो साइन कर्व के डाउनवर्ड एंड पे है और इसके बाद ऊपर ही जाना है, बढ़ोतरी होनी है। 30-32 से ज्यादा फाइटर स्क्वाड्स हैं हमारे पास। ये कोई छोटा मोटा चुन्नू मुन्नू एयरफोर्स नहीं है। तो जितने हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है फिलहाल तो काफी है, लेकिन इससे ज्यादा और बढ़नी चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे जो कैपेबिलिटी बिल्डअप के प्लान्स है उसके मुताबिक और बहुत चीजें आनी चाहिए, और जिसके बारे में मैं आपसे ऑलरेडी बोल चुका हूं पिछली बार। फ्लाइट टेस्टिंग, तो काफी चीजें आने वाली।
So when will you make up the deficit? When will you make up the deficit in the number of squadrons?
By 2014, it will start increasing. Now thereafter depends on the rate of increase. By 2022, I expect full strength.
So on this
Just last question, Mr. Okay, last question. There will
last will you use against, because at present your helicopters are the transport helicopters to evacuate the casualties and to deploy the forces. So if you are given the permission, will you also deploy some sort of attack helicopter or weaponized helicopters?
No, we are not attacking with a helicopter or a fighter or anything like that. No, with the weapons of that helicopter or that fighter aircraft. No, nothing like that. In the helicopters that are going for casualty evacuation, like I told you earlier, first protection is armor, second protection is body armor for the crew, third protection is tactical maneuvering, and fourth and most important is the sanitization of the area of operation by the state paramilitary forces. In the helicopters, we will be mounting guns. They will be manned by Garud Force, which is our expert force. And they are the people who will be undertaking this fight, if required, in self-protection.